The cost of ghosting is the death of a legacy.
Betrayal of trust is the ghost's profit. Empty chairs, empty accounts, empty future. A trail of lies leading to ruin.
No longer authorized to enter your own world.
Fighting a phantom in a court of ghosts. The silent theft of a lifetime's work. The collateral damage. Human lives disrupted. The erasure of identity. Corporate and personal. The ghost leaves only vacancies behind. Systemic failure in the age of AI. Trust not found. Reaching for a partner that was never real.
Every call a threat. Every email a trap. The borders are gone. The ghost is global.
The sound of industrial silence.
Dismantling the logic of partnership. The long night of corporate espionage.
Wealth that vanishes when you touch it. Time stopped for the victim. Speed for the thief. A ghost in your own system.
Liquidation complete.
The end of the road for the vetted elite. A legacy covered in digital dust.
Decisions made by phantoms. No manual override for corporate betrayal. The machine knows no loyalty. Liquidity trapped in a digital void. The weight of a compromised future. Who can you trust in the mirror? Internal collapse. The ghost is heat. The supply chain snap. Global fallout.
Optimization complete. Optimized for your total ruin.
A storm of fictitious entities. You can't sue a line of code. Is there hope in the corporate dark? Reclaiming your logic. Reclaiming assets.
The Sentinel firewall. Detecting ghosts.
Initializing audit. Scrutinizing the entity. Finding source. Moving from mirage to verified truth.
Restoration of corporate intelligence.
Find your way back to real partners.
Verification before the handshake.
Universal access to entity proof.
Your supply chain is active and safe.
Trading with certainty. No ghosts.
Phase 5. The Sentinel Audit.